Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can properly fix lag in your YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So when I talk about lag in YouTube videos, I'm simply not referring to a slow internet connection that makes videos take way too long to load. I'm talking about a video's playback performance. This is when your video feels way too choppy, or the playback feels unresponsive, or the website itself just stops working altogether. So there are actually two ways to fix this, and here's how. You guys want to make sure that your browser is open like I do here. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. And you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. So the website will then, or rather the browser will then show you a drop-down menu with a bunch of options to choose from. So here you want to click on settings and it should take you to this page here. So once you're here, you want to click on system and you want to make sure, and this is important by the way, you want to make sure that hardware acceleration is enabled. So to give you guys a bit of insight on what this setting actually is and what it does, this setting, when enabled, uses your computer's GPU or video card to run videos instead of your CPU. So the nice thing about this is it shoulders some of the workload that would be normally done by the CPU and should make the video playback feel much more smoother. So another thing that you can do here, once you've done this, to help alleviate the lag is to go to the performance tab, as shown here, and you want to make sure that memory saver is enabled. So this setting actually already comes with a description, but I'm going to break it down for you guys so you understand just what it does. So memory saver, when enabled, make sure that any other tab on your Chrome or your browser that's currently not being used is not using any RAM or memory. So what that means is that all of your computer's RAM or memory is allocated into the only tab that you're currently on, or the active tab that you have. So this way some of the lag should be gone and the video should feel more fluid. So once you've done all of that, yeah, you should be done. Now your video playback should feel much more smoother and the lag should be gone. If it worked for you guys, be sure to like the video if you found this guide helpful, and if you guys want to support the channel, we do have a um or rather we upload tech guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.